Okay, hey everybody. So we got these Govee permanent outdoor lights from Amazon. Compatible, works with Alexa, Google Home, and they're permanent lights. So good for all seasons, Christmas, Halloween, and easy to install. Got these on Amazon. Well, regular price is about $2.99. Got these on sale. I think it was a Prime Day special for less than that. And here's the app, so you can kind of see how easy it is to use it. It's got music, all different types of settings. You can see the colors change. Very cool. It looks really good. So as far as the length, I Google satellited the image. It's about 85 feet from one end of the house to the other. Of course, it's not going to be exactly accurate. You're going to have cutouts right there for the side of the house where it sticks out right there. But they come in about 16.5-foot sections. So you can easily uninstall that if you don't need extra 16 foot of slack or whatever. So 100-foot sections, I think they come in 50-foot sections as well. But it's got all different types of settings. And it looks pretty bright. Of course, they're LED, so they're energy saving. And it's actually compatible with music. So you can set up music on the app and do it that way as well. Of course, that's not my specialty, but showing you different options of what you can do. So pretty cool. They're easy to install. It took about an hour or so. It takes a little bit of time and a little bit of strain, of course, on the neck because you have to keep going up. But as you can see, it's attached to the vinyl siding. Each individual light has 3M adhesive on it, so it's just peel and stick. And in the event that the stickiness doesn't work, it does come with extra adhesives, but it also comes with these clips here that you can use and screw right into the siding. So to hold the wire up, of course, like right here, you can kind of see how it's not as sticky there. Some pieces are not going to be as sticky, but you can kind of see how that works. So if you need it, it comes with those as well. And that's pretty much it. So I just want to show you guys the latest project that we did and how it looks from the street. People probably think we're crazy having lights up in the middle of July, but whatever. They're pretty inconspicuous too, so you can't really see it as a white wire. We have light siding, but that's pretty much it. So stay tuned and be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. Ask any questions below. Thanks for watching. See you guys.